Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable and disable touch on vibration on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now from here, scroll down and tap on vibrate on tap. Now from here, just select off to turn off touch on vibration. And if you want to turn touch on vibration back on, you can select between light, medium or strong for touch on vibration. And if you select strong, it will adjust the vibration motor to give you a strong vibration when you touch the phone. And if you select light, it will adjust the vibration motor to give you a light vibration when you touch the phone. So we will select medium. And this is how you can enable and disable touch on vibration on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.